Hello kids and welcome back. We have covered almost of all of these things by now. Today we are going to look at something new, that is extension. What are extensions? Extensions are some extensions that give our mBlock extra power, just like devices but on our virtual background. So when we are using our regular prompts or blocks, we can do some things, but with the power of extension, we can sense and get data from outside as well. And we can create many things, many new things that are not available here. These extensions are created by many developers. These might not be mBlock team, might be somebody else. You can see who are the developers here in these. These are created by mBlock official, and but if you can see, we are just going. Video sensing is developers by Scratch. This developer is from China. This developer is Kushan, and you can see many other developers are here as well. So these extensions are created to give you extra power to mBlock. So how we use these extensions? Today I am going to use the music extension. I am just going to click on add, and that's all. And if we can see, we have this music blocks here. Okay, and in music blocks we can see these some of my new blocks which were not here before. Okay, let's see. I am just getting this first one. I'm going to play it. So it has played a song, and there are many sounds here. Okay, so if I'm going to do it for, let's say, one beat instead of 0.25, the beat is going to be slower. Okay, for if I'm going to duplicate it, okay, you see the beat has a longer period, but now if it is 0.25, so the beat is faster. So we can do this all, we can play some things. And in music, we can also set our instrument. Before starting it, we can set it as, let's say, piano. Okay. And then we can, with the piano, we can play a note. If I'm going to duplicate it, so you see, I am playing note 60. We are going to discuss that. And the instrument is piano. But what about if it is a guitar? You can see the voice of a guitar is different than piano. We can check all of these. Okay. Let's stay to piano. Okay. So what are these notes? These notes are the different. When I'm going to click, you can see here a keyboard of a piano. From here you can move to different sounds. Okay, from C0 to C12, this is the first one, and it is going to tell you where are you. It is C60 to 72. So C60 is showing here, and it goes up to 120. So we have 120 notes here. Okay, I'm going to use this 60. Okay, in the next one I can use 62. In the next one, I can use 64. In the next one, I can use 65. Okay, and it is showing me here what notes are there. Now I'm going to play it. Okay, let's add few more. One more. And so you see our piano is playing. So that's how we can use our music extensions to make our music and everything here. I can also use this one with my keyboard, right? When my A is pressed, I'm pressing A, and the second one, actually I need to, okay, duplicate it. I am using the keyboards keys from my keyboard, and I am using in the sequence that is showing there. So you can see. So now my keyboard of my laptop has become the core keyboard of a piano. So you can use all these with different controls, sensing, with other motion effects. Maybe if you want it to your panda to move as well, let's say move 10 steps. Okay, and okay. So if I'm pressing D and so that's how you can use these extensions, the music extension, to add music to your games and your uh, projects. I'm going to show you a quick look at these are the notes usually used in music: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. And for those, the mBlock MIDI numbers are 60, 62, 64, 65, 67, 69, and 71. You can memorize this is not too much, but you have about 120 notes there, and you can create many beautiful musics and you can use them in all of your projects. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next lesson.